Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for my Rubik's Cube. It's the Oscar's Treasure Chest Rubik's Cube. Let's get into it. It's in there. It moves, whatever. And letter. These. That's all of that. Okay. Now, don't worry about that. Okay, so don't worry about that either. Okay, so opening it up, it is the Oscar's Treasure Chest. The mechanism is actually well, it's not simple, but each piece has its own little set. Each piece has its own like parts that help it slide through. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna fix this real quickly. Oh god, no. I really shouldn't have done this. Oh well, I'm just gonna fix this real quickly. Oh god, no. Just skip ahead and pass this part. Oh, you know, you don't actually have to pass it, I just did it. Never mind. Okay, so now, the thing is, so, let's say, let's mix it up. I'm going to do a solve, I'm going to solve it. Okay, now let's start solving it. Okay. I'm not a speed cuber, so I don't think I can go a lot faster than this, because I really can't. And this cube is really locky, and you wouldn't expect it to be very good. I mean, it has a hollowed inside, so let's see. There we go. That's that piece. Yes, no. Goes there. There. It's off two corners. Most people would already be done by now, but I'm not a speed cuber, so don't think I'm trying to. This is as fast as I can go with this cube. First layer solved. Now what to do? First thing. Don't think I'm going by some instructions. I have actually memorized this. And it's like sometimes people do how-tos on these, and then you don't see what they're doing. What they're doing is that they're just holding the instructions and then reading from that. it's not really doing a how-to, because then somebody else probably made it up, which isn't, yeah, that's just not, let's just say it's not professional. And gotta line those up. Oh God, I'm not used to it. There we go. There. Yes, got the white and the red side solved. What's shortly going to be messed up, so. Are there any corners that are in the right location? No. Wow. Wait. What did I just do? So, there. Just saying, the method that I am using is somebody else's method. It's Dan Brown's method. You should go check out his method. And let's see, last corners. Yes. Thank you. Oops. Let's do that again. Okay. I'm almost done. So don't start complaining that I'm taking too long. There, I pretty much solved it now. Just gotta finish that. There we go, solved it. Now you can open that. And then the container. Oh, I think I know what I'll put in there. I'm not going to put that. I'll just do that. Let's just say that's not in there. Bye. Bye, everybody.